Bugfest.
We got something real special for you men out there. Package acquired.
Requesting orbital.
Super destroyer leaving low orbit. Emergency extraction shuttle deployed. Reinforcement budget depleted.
Mini new.
Tagging package acquired. West, close. Drop in package. Package
ETA
acquired.
T-minus 1 minute 30 seconds.
One more. One more. Nice.
Last reload.
Package acquired.
No, we need one more.
Fire in the hole.
Out of ammo.
ETA T-minus 1 minute.
Drop in package.
Meatball down.
Dropping item. I got the terminal.
Engaging.
Watch your back, Toko. Woo!
ETA T-minus 30 seconds. Vehicle.
Blinky!
Oh, there's two blinkies. You go to extraction.
Blinkies! You gotta get the blinkies.
You guys do that shit.
Got 4 stems, you're good to go.
10 seconds.
Oh, I mean, yeah, we're getting this.
Oh, man.
Requisition slips?
Pelican 1 approaching pickup.
No, Pelican 1.
Pelican 1 landing in progress. Countdown initiated. Stand by for takeoff.
Will he make it to the Blinky before the ship leaves? Find out today, right here.
Super Crab!
Super Creds! Worth it. Somebody get on the ship.
Throwing grenade.
Yeah. Yeah, man. That was good. That was good. That was good. Oh yeah, we got that. Wait for one person, you can leave, it don't matter. Nobody gonna be hurt because you know what you do, bro. Damn, look at that X. Oh shit. Will you make it? Oh. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Got it. Got it. That's just meatball alive, you know what I'm saying?
I hit him with that expensive blood.
You know what I'm saying? He's still alive.
Tagging location.
Shut up. Where'd it go?
That's empty.
Man, he took a lot.
They got a meatball all by yourself.
Reinforcing.
This is where we hold them! This is where we fight! This is where they die! And these shields, boys! Remember this day, man. For it will be yours for all time. Spartans! Lay down your weapons!
That dog right there doing nothing.
Persian! Come and
Oh,
get
gassed
them!
up. He just won't drop. Oh, finally he dropped.
Hell bomb armed. Clear the area.
Most of all, fuck you! Goddamn motherfucker got blood all over.
Chasing me.
Who's chasing you? Oh, there he is. He's way up there. Can you get him? He's up top. He's still
I
alive.
was fighting those two back here, beating up the thing. Oh, I'm dead now. Yeah.
Got him.
Air support. Hell bomb armed. Clear the area.
Squad lost. Deploying for replacement. Reinforcement budget depleted.
He gave it back to
Watch where you're standing.
Okay. Thanks for the cover. Thank you for the cover, my man.
Reinforcement.
That's all looking shady. I was like,
Calling down a
I was wondering why he was turning around looking like that.
Sending in an eagle.
He about to kill somebody.